Hi, this is Tom Wiseman with Resource Education, here for Play and Learn, and I want to tell you exactly what these are. These are short answer race cards. We have 3 different levels, A1, A2, and B1. And the purpose of these cards is to make students think quickly. I want them to react. Fluency is all about reacting correctly to the situation, to the moment, using what you know. So what we have here is a stack of questions. These are questions, yes or no questions, that require short answers. Each color is a different tense, a different topic. So as a teacher, I can come into the classroom, I can say, I want to practice this topic, and let's just say this topic right here. So I can make a decision as to which tenses I want to combine. And then we practice with them. So student A asks student B, are you going to do your homework? Yes, I am. Are you going to watch TV tonight? No, I'm not. Is it going to rain tomorrow? No, it isn't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. And they go through them first slowly, and then we challenge them. We say, okay, this time mix up the cards. Now quickly. So they ask the questions quickly. Their partner answers with the correct short answer quickly. We stop the timer, we record the time, and we set a goal for the students. Now, what does this goal do? It motivates the students to continue, to repeat the activity. So if I have right here 8 cards, they can go through these 8 questions again and again with this idea of being the fastest in the class, beating their own time, and they see improvement through this entire process. And the whole time they're paying attention to what their partner is saying. They're paying attention to what they are saying and thinking about the answer quickly. But they're not going through this logical process of, okay, are you going to do your homework? Auxiliary verb is are. So you, that's second person, so I need first person because it's I. Yes, I am. They can't go through that thought process. So what this does, what short answer race does, is build reflexes, where they have this concentration on something that they see again and again and again, so that these patterns in English become much more automatic and English becomes much more reflexive for them. That is short answer race, which you can get on Play and Learn. It's made a really big difference for me in the classroom and for my students. I highly recommend it.